everyone, I'm Jen and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be cutting up more clothing. I've been liking cutting up clothing lately, so we're going to be doing that again. So here are the victims for today. We're going to be making this long sleeve into a crop long sleeve because I just don't want to wear long, I don't like it long anymore, so we're just going to crop it. It's going to go like up to here on me, and we're gonna use it as a layering piece. Maybe we'll distress it a little bit and cut some holes in it, but that's pretty much it. This is my Selena Quintanilla t-shirt. We're gonna be turning this into a tank top, a muscle tank top today. We're gonna be just cropping it just a little bit on the bottom, as much as I can. And then we're gonna be turning it into a muscle tank, because I need more for the summer. And this is a dress that I no longer really like on me anymore, so we are going to be turning this into just a tank top instead, because it fits nice up here, but I don't like the way it fits, I don't like the length of it, first off, and I also don't like it fits on my waist, so I like the top portion, so we're going to keep that, and we're just going to pretty much cut it in half. And obviously, I keep all the scraps now. So once I get a sewing machine, I am going to see what I can do with the scraps and make some things. But right now, we're gonna be cutting up some clothing. So let's get started. So I will not be doing a try on at first. I will just pretty much be cutting things up, and we'll do a try on at the end of the finished product. So all right, let's get started. Okay, so this is the first one, and you know what? It's actually not that bad. I feel like we could have gotten a little shorter, but then I forgot this is a v-neck, but this would be definitely good for a layering thing. It's like a good spring outfit because one, it's like weirdly like not too cold but not too warm either. So I kind of just, this was definitely a like an effort moment. I just didn't know what else to do. Like I said, I don't have a sewing machine or like a grommet tool, so I can't like do anything cool with it. And I don't really have any jewelry to put on it either, so I have to get that kind of stuff because there are some cool things that I definitely want to do, but I haven't done it yet. So I feel like this is kind of cool. Not bad for like a shrug piece. Definitely, if I'm like not too cold, not too warm, I'll definitely like maybe throw this on with like, I think jewelry would be good if I put some like jewelry, and like it would be good with like maybe like a skirt or something. That'd be kind of cool. So anyway, let's move on to the next one. Okay, here is the second one, and this is definitely a sleigh because we cutting it kind of close in the back. Ooh, we cutting it a little close. Yep. Oh boy. Yeah, I cropped it just a little bit, and this is like perfect. Just put on a pair of like boots or maybe like a skirt, like a little skirt, and then boom, this is a summer outfit right here. And if it's a little too cold, you just put a jacket or a cardigan on. Yeah, this is perfect. Honestly, this would be definitely good for me to wear with the Zach Bagans shirt. So I can like wear that one a day before, and then I can wear like this like the next day. This is like perfect. I think this came out pretty cool, and it doesn't feel like constricted anymore, so it feels good on me. So even with the tank top underneath. So this is a sleigh. Yep. I like this one. And last but not least, I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous about I was kind of nervous about this one, but damn, all right. I had to take off the tank top for this because I want to see like the full outfit. But you know what? This is a sleigh. Hell yeah! I love the way I cut it. I did like small, and then the cuts just kind of got bigger. So I think this is definitely a sleigh. Oh my god, it's good length too. So this is perfect for like a cute little skirt. And I definitely wear this maybe to like just a nice walk outside somewhere nice. So this is definitely a sleigh. Wow, this came out really good. I'm really happy about this one. I ain't gonna lie, I slayed with this one. I like it. This is actually not that bad. Wow, I'm getting better at this. So anyway, if you enjoyed any, which one is your favorite? I'm curious because I think this is my favorite. This is definitely it. From a dress to this, yeah, this is pretty impressive. I literally cut off half of it and I made it into a tank top, and look, and I just kind of cut in the middle. Yeah, this is a sleigh. This is definitely a sleigh, 100%. Oh my god, so cool. Let me know what is your favorite down in the comments below, and be sure to like the video if you did like the video. And that's it. That's all I got for today. So maybe I'll cut up some more t-shirts, but I also have another, I want to add some crochet to my next t-shirt design. So that one's gonna be fun. I already have one idea cooking already, so I gotta get started on that one though, because that one is gonna take a bit for me to do. So, but yeah, this one, yeah, this one's fun. I like this one. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate anybody that watches my videos. It's a lot of fun. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!